Hi hi everybody, it is December 8th. It's 4:44 p.m. and at 4:45, in just a minute, the evening call to prayer is going to start, and you're going to hear what it sounds like for us 5 times a day here. I'm on my patio, no place particularly special, just sitting outside here at our villa. You can see, I'll show you around a little bit. This is my door going to my kitchen. This is my table. Oh, and you can probably hear it. The call to prayer is starting. Let's see. You can probably hear it just starting up. Oh, that's it. You can hear there's several mosques in the area, so you could hear it coming from different places. It seems kind of quiet right now, but at 4:30 in the morning, oh, there he goes. That's what I was waiting for.
Splinter. Is that a splinter? What?
So this is what you hear when you're sitting outside in Doha, Qatar, just going about your business. There's a particularly loud mosque right next to Ian's office, and you can hardly have a conversation in his office when it goes off. In fact, he has to kind of time his phone calls around it. It's kind of interesting. And this one at 4:30 in the morning that goes off, it wakes me up just about every night, but that's okay because I had to get up at 5, so it's kind of my little warning. Okay, you're gonna have to get up in a few minutes. And a lot of times when I hear the call to prayer, it reminds me to pray myself, so I use that as a really great reminder to pray. Different God, different belief system, but that's okay. It still reminds me to be faithful, so that's good. It goes on for quite a few minutes. Colette took a field trip to a mosque the other day at school. What did you learn about the mosque there?
That whenever they go to mosque, they have to sing.
They sing their prayers.
And they have a book, just like at church.
They have a book. And what else? They what? Do they take their shoes off before they go in?
Yes.
Yes. And they have rugs that are all lined up in a row.
Yeah,
that
and they have
down.
like little lines. And people stand, and they eat there too.
Yep. So that's it. That's about what we hear, and I just wanted to share that with you guys. However you feel about it, that's your business, but I just wanted to share. So, signing off.